In this video, I will show you how to change your laptop lock screen wallpaper. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, all you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click to open up your settings. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto personalization. In the personalization section, scroll down a bit and you're going to see an option for lock screen just here. Go ahead, give that a click. That's going to open up a screen like this. From here, if you look towards the top, you've got the option to personalize your lock screen. Actually, you can see at the moment it's set to Windows Spotlight, but what we can do is click onto this and change it to either picture or slideshow. In this example, I'm going to change to a picture. So by selecting this, you can see it's going to give us some images that we can use which are pre-generated, and we can actually preview our lock screen here at the top. So this is what it's going to look like when we select and change our pictures. Now you've also got the option just below to browse photos, so you can actually upload your own picture as well if you want to. So you just want to click that button, and then of course you can choose a picture that you might have downloaded or something on your PC. For example, say I wanted to use my logo, then I've gone ahead, uploaded it, so I'm just going to click to select, and again we're going to get the preview up here. Now what you can also do, you can see we've got another box here to get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. You can choose to have that turned on or off. I'm going to choose to turn this off for now, and once that's done, all you need to do is go ahead and close this down, and when you next go ahead and lock your laptop and it's on the lock screen on your PC or computer, you will see that your lock screen wallpaper has now changed. So that is how to change laptop lock screen wallpaper. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.